So I thought that I'd take you through a little skincare routine using the Sonic Glow brush. So let's begin. It can be used with either one of our cleansers, so our cream cleanser or our superfruit wash-off cleanser. I'm actually going to use it with our superfruit wash-off cleanser, and all that involves is a few pumps. Wet your skin. I've actually wet my hands, and then I like to just lather it all over my skin like this. And get your brush and you hold it in for a few moments until it lights up. There we are. And then I'm going to activate the Sonic so that it's vibrating, and it has 5 different vibration intensities. So I like to use it on intensity number 2. And then I'm just going to use it on my skin. So see how I'm going in an upward? You can do little circular motions. I absolutely love it. Getting into the chin area, along the jawline. And I'll talk to you about the special little feature that we have. So this will take your makeup off as well. And we have a little raised brush here. Now that is to get in to the hard to reach corners. So the sides of your nose. And also, you can also use it a little gently just around the eye area to get in, very gently. So there we go. So then to turn it off, you just again hold it and it will turn off and turns off the vibration as well. So I will need to wash this off now with a warm, wet face cloth. I always recommend that with our skincare. Just wash it off with a warm, wet face cloth. Like that. So now I'm going to show you how to use it in the massaging and infusing your serums into your skin mode. And I'm going to use the 2 Scout serums, the vitamin C brightening serum and the cell renewal peptide serum. And then I will show you, so I'm just using a couple of drops each of the cell renewal and the vitamin C brightening serum, massaging that into my skin. And now the vitamin C. And then I'll show you my other favorite way. So I'm going to turn it on, and then to activate the heating for the rose quartz stone, I'm just going to press that quickly twice, and it's going to have a little smiley face. And now I'm going to activate the M button, which turns on the sonic vibration. So I like to use it on vibration 2 or 3. So I'm going to use it on 3. And this will heat up to 45 degrees. So why did we choose rose quartz, the rose quartz stone? We chose it because it has properties of oxygen and magnesium and iron. It's going to really help with reducing inflammation in your skin, and also just to help with a urban, stressed out skin. So it's heating up, and I'm going to just start on my jawline and see how I'm going in an upward motion, fanning out. I really love to do it along here where we have those lines as we age. So just going out, you get the idea of what I'm doing. Now, always going out, so up and out, across the forehead, It's so lovely. It heats up to 45 degrees. So that is not going to destroy any of the actives in, I'm just going to turn the vibration off because I can hear it while I'm talking to you. It's not going to destroy any of the actives in your serum. It's actually going to help to infuse them into the deeper layers of the skin. So that's how you use that with your serums. Now I'm going to, my favorite way is with our 6 oils of rejuvenation, and I'm just going to massage that into my skin. And this is just so relaxing. Now I can't remember if I told you, but you can use the rose quartz for massaging without having it heated up. So I am going to vibrate again with the sonic, and there we go, just massaging with the beautiful oil. It's such a relaxing thing to do at night, and you'll feel your skin really is a lot plumper after using it, and it's just delightful. So, okay, I don't want to spend too much time. So to turn it off, I'm just pressing in the bottom on-off button, and it turns both the vibration, sonic, and heating off. So I forgot to mention that it does come with its own little travel pouch as well. So if you are going anywhere, you can pop it in there and take it with you.